As we navigate the demands of modern work, it's easy to fall into the trap of working nonstop. We may think that pushing through without taking breaks will help us get more done, but the opposite is often true. Research has shown that taking breaks can actually improve productivity and overall well-being. In this video, we'll explore the benefits of taking breaks and offer tips on how to take effective breaks. Rest and recharge. One of the primary benefits of taking breaks is that it allows us to rest and recharge. When we take a break, we give ourselves permission to step away from our work and engage in a different activity. This break from work can help us clear our minds, reduce stress, and improve our mood. When we return to our work, we are often more energized and focused, which can lead to increased productivity. Boost creativity. Taking breaks can also boost creativity. When we step away from our work, our minds are free to wander and make connections that we might not have thought of before. This can help us approach problems in a new and innovative way. In fact, many famous artists and writers have credited their breakthrough ideas to taking breaks and engaging in other activities. Reduce stress. Another benefit of taking breaks is that it can reduce stress. When we work without taking breaks, we can easily become overwhelmed and stressed, which can hinder our productivity. By taking breaks, we give ourselves a chance to step back and evaluate our progress. This can help us regain motivation and a sense of purpose, which can ultimately make us more productive. Increase motivation. Taking breaks can also increase motivation. When we take a break, we can evaluate our progress and set new goals for ourselves. This can help us regain motivation and a sense of purpose, which can ultimately make us more productive. In addition, taking breaks can help us avoid burnout, which can lead to decreased motivation and productivity. Improve physical health. Taking breaks can also improve physical health. If we sit for extended periods of time, taking breaks can help prevent eye strain, back pain, and other issues associated with a sedentary lifestyle. By taking a break and engaging in a different activity, we can improve our posture, stretch our muscles, and give our eyes a rest. Effective break strategies. Now that we've explored the benefits of taking breaks, let's discuss some strategies for taking effective breaks. The first step is to schedule regular breaks throughout the day. This can be as simple as taking a 5-minute break every hour or a 15-minute break every few hours. Whatever schedule you choose, make sure to stick to it consistently. The second step is to use your breaks wisely. Instead of checking your email or social media, try engaging in an activity that will help you recharge and refocus. This could be anything from taking a walk, doing some stretching, or meditating. The key is to find an activity that will allow you to rest and recharge, without adding more stress or distractions. Finally, be sure to communicate your break schedule with your colleagues and coworkers. This can help ensure that you are not interrupted during your break time and can fully engage in your chosen activity. In addition, encourage your coworkers to take breaks as well, as this can help create a culture of self-care and productivity. In conclusion, taking breaks is an essential component of productivity and well-being. By giving ourselves permission to rest and recharge, we can boost creativity, reduce stress, increase motivation, and improve physical health. To take effective breaks, we should schedule regular breaks, use our breaks wisely, and communicate our break schedule with others. By prioritizing our breaks, we can increase our productivity so that we can focus on tasks that will move our life forward. Thank you for watching. If you want to learn more about increasing your energy and how it can help you make difficult things easy, check out my latest course in the description below. More than 700 students have already joined with a 4.3 rating out of 5. It will teach you how to make any difficult task easy so that you can unlock your true potential and live your best life. Until then, I'll see you in my next video.